Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off hotspot automatically when it's no longer used. Alright, let's get to it. The first thing you should do is open your settings app on your Android phone. Then after that, you can click on connections menu right here guys. Just tap on it and you can click on mobile hotspot and that ring. And click on mobile hotspot right here. Alright, after that you can click on configure. Okay, and click on advanced. Okay, and we can scroll down and on this button or this option, turn off when no device connected, for just tap on it and you can choose the time when you want your hotspot to be turned off automatically when it's no longer used, and you can choose 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes, and I'm just going to click on 10 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. All right, just tap on it. After that, we can click on save right here to save the settings. Okay guys, and that's how we can turn off our hotspot automatically when it's no longer used on our Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.